Now we are going to plant Amaryllis bulbs in pots so that they will bloom for us in 6 to 8 weeks on the windowsill in the apartment. Agree, it will look very beautiful. A flowering plant in winter. For successful work, we will need any peat mix, a universal purpose substrate, pots of the appropriate size, and, of course, planting material, Amaryllis bulbs. We will be planting 3 different bulbs of 3 varieties. Nymph, this is how it looks in the photo, as you can see. Relona, you can also see the photo, and Cherry Nymph. They are all very beautiful. And I am absolutely sure that when we carefully look at these beautiful plants in bloom in approximately 6 to 8 weeks, they will truly leave no one unimpressed. This is how it looks. If the root system is too long, you can trim it to the height of the pot. Watch how we do it. Just like this, we cut off the very tips, inspect everything carefully, and open it up. You need to plant them so that they are buried no more than halfway. And in some cases, only 1/3 should be underground. So we have plenty of space there. We add some soil to the bottom. And arrange the root system so that it is more even. You can gently press it down there, sinking it a bit into the substrate, and we fill in very carefully and tightly. You need to fill the space, the volume that remains under the bulb itself. On the surface, you should also leave a little bit of extra space so that you can easily water it later on. Just like that, we gently pressed it down a bit more. Everything truly looks absolutely great and perfect. It's very easy to plant Amaryllis bulbs in pots. And to compact the soil even more, we water it at the appropriate temperature. The water you use for watering should be at room temperature. You don't need to overwater. That's it, the nymph variety Amaryllis is planted. Ours is planted. Let's move on. The planting process is finished. Now we'll wipe the pots to make sure they're clean and then take them to our apartment. As you can see, there's nothing complicated about planting Amaryllis bulbs for winter blooming. If you want to treat yourself to this stunning bloom, which will appear in 6 to 8 weeks, you can plant them too. Thank you all for your attention. I wish you all the best. Wishing you a good mood and peaceful skies above your head. Goodbye.